Our body is made up of different parts. Every part has its own use. The head and neck. The head is the part of the body above the neck. On top of the head is the hair, which protects the head and keeps it warm. The front part of the head is called the face. We know each other by looking at each other's faces. On the front of the face are a pair of eyes, a nose, and a mouth. An ear is found on each side of the face. We can see and know the people and things around us using our eyes. The nose lets us smell different things. Our ears help us hear sounds. We speak and chew food using our mouth. Inside the mouth are the teeth, which we use to chew our food, and the tongue, which allows us to taste the food we eat. The part that connects the head to the other parts of the body is called the neck. It supports the head while allowing it to move up and down, left and right, and side to side. Torso. The trunk or torso is located below the head and above the legs. It has many different parts. The chest protects the delicate organs inside the body, like the heart and the lungs, from outside harm. The abdomen is located between the chest and the thighs. It holds the organs that break down the food we eat. The waist is the part of the abdomen between the chest and the hips. It contains the belly button. It allows us to bend our upper body. The hip is the area on each side of the body, between the waist and the legs. It supports the torso when it moves. Our back helps us move, bend, and turn our torso. It also helps us stand straight. Our buttocks are located at the back of the torso, above the thighs. They act like a cushion for our body when we sit. Limbs. The limbs are the extensions of our bodies. They consist of two pairs, the upper limbs and the lower limbs. The upper limbs, called arms, are connected to the torso. The shoulders connect the arms to the torso. The elbows link the upper arms to the lower arms. The wrists connect the lower arms to the palms. The palms and fingers are the parts of our hands that allow us to grab, pull, and push things. Our arms help us hold, lift, push, and throw things. We use our arms and hands for activities like writing, typing on the computer, playing, swimming, and eating food. The lower limbs are called legs. They are attached to the torso below the waist. Each leg has many different parts. The upper leg or the thigh connects the whole leg to the torso. The knee joins the upper leg with the lower leg. It allows the leg to straighten and bend. The front part of the lower leg is called the shin, while the back side is called the calf. Our shins allow us to move our feet and balance our ankles. Our calves allow us to move our lower legs. They also support our body when we run, jump, or stand on our toes. The ankle connects the lower leg to the foot. It allows us to move or twist our foot. The part below the ankle is the foot. At the end of it are the toes. Our feet and toes allow us to walk, run, and jump. The bottom part of the foot that touches the ground is called the sole. It helps balance the body as we stand and walk. We use our legs for dancing, playing, skating, running, walking, and many other activities. Private parts. Our private parts allow us to urinate, or pee, and defecate, or poop. They are called private parts because they should be kept covered, out of sight of other people. We cover these parts with our underwear. We also need to keep our private parts clean. If you see any red, itchy, and painful spots on these parts, tell your parents immediately. Skin. The skin is an important part of our body. It covers our entire body and protects all organs from harmful germs and injury. The skin is also our sense organ for touch. It tells us the texture of an object, or how an object feels to the touch. Sense organs. Our sense organs are our eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. They are the parts of our body that we use to see, smell, hear, taste, and feel. They are very important because they help us observe and learn about the things around us. We should take care of our sense organs to keep them working properly. Here are some ways that you can care for your eyes. Protect your eyes from very bright light. Do not rub your eyes. Eat vegetables and fruits like squash, carrots, and papaya to keep your eyes healthy. Read under a good light. Rest your eyes when they are tired. Here are ways that you can care for your ears. Avoid loud sounds. Do not shout or talk too loudly. Do not poke or put anything in your ears. Ask an adult to clean your ears with a soft cloth. Here are some ways that you can care for your nose. Blow your nose gently if you have a cold. Clean your nose with a soft, clean cloth. Cover your nose when you are in a dusty or smoky place. Avoid putting objects inside your nose. Here are ways that you can care for your tongue. Drink enough water to keep your tongue moist. Be careful when taking in hot foods and drinks. Let them cool first. Brush your tongue gently and regularly. These are some ways that you can care for your skin. Take a bath every day. Wear clean and comfortable clothes. Eat nutritious food.